All right, y'all, so I took it out. As you guys can see, I'm trying to figure out why it's stalling out. I'm not sure why. I mean, it when it's running smooth. It's not running rough or anything, but for some reason it's stalling out, and I'm not sure why. Power. Might be the battery. So I got up the hill almost. All right, so I think it might be the I don't know. I just Googled it. One person, I seen somebody say vent hose. Well, okay, could be the vent hose. Then a lot of other people were saying just the fuel delivery. I think it might be the fuel delivery. But just overall, maybe that's something I might have to look into. Yeah. There's a few things I gotta look into, but for the most part, I got halfway up the hill, y'all. I got halfway up the hill. So now I just gotta get to the top of the hill and then I can get home. Oh man. Oh. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So I did find out what was wrong, you guys. It was actually the tip sensor. The tip sensor, I think I had it in the wrong position, like a dummy. So that's actually what was the issue. So basically I had to just take that and reposition that. Once I repositioned, everything worked fine. We redid the brakes, ran the clutch, and just a few other things, and I'm glad to say it is done. So nice. Hopefully I can get a nice little reveal video up for you guys. Of course, if you're watching this, you already saw the reveal video, but other than that, this is it, you guys. So now it's mod time. Let's go ahead and get into some mods. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, get a bell icon, and that go up right there. Get a bell icon, and nice go rub down. I'm about to go ahead and get in the house and eat. Bat Mama is waiting for me. So until next time, y'all make sure y'all take care of each other, man. Y'all make sure y'all keep a lookout for those crazies out there. I'm gonna catch you on the deuces. Deuces.